In this video, I'll be showing you how to check SD card storage space on Samsung phone. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, checking your available SD card storage space is the best way to monitor your media allocation and ensure you don't run out of memory during anything. So what you want to do is open up your settings application and scroll down to the menu canvas until you find device care, which is going to be one of the options, and go ahead and click on it. Now, within device care, you're going to see storage as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. And then within here, what you're going to go ahead and see is a visual breakdown of your internal phone memory. So to view your external, swipe left on the screen canvas layout, or tap the SD card tab at the absolute top of your screen space. And then, yeah, you're going to basically see your other storage right here. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. And you can obviously configure anything, you can delete things and find things in your recycle bin too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.